Okay, hi everyone, and welcome back to another Fortnite episode. I'm not gonna really try to do well because my main goal for today is to tell you something. So I'm going to be if you comment out hashtag shout out, I will shout out your channel name and make a intro for you if you want that, or if you just want a shout out, that's okay. But let me go in there. Yeah, that is the main purpose of the video. I'm giving shout outs and be making intros for you guys, and then I'll supply with the intro. There's a lot of you guys, people that have the same YouTube channel name. Just don't copy YouTube channel names. Try not to copy YouTube channel names like my name. I didn't even know there was at least 1,000 of them, and that's why I just had this. But yeah. There's just a floating umbrella there. Nothing's loading. Okay, we're just gonna go with the truck. The truck. The truck. Yeah, but we're just. I got 10 bullets, so. Darn it. Yeah, the main purpose of the video is really not to survive. Okay, yeah. Maybe it could be surviving, could be anything. AR. The main purpose of what I'm trying to say, the main purpose is tell you I'm doing shout outs and everything like that. And that even the best YouTubers fail. I fail, I learn from my mistakes. That's what happens when you fail. If you win all the time, you can't. Like, if you fail a test, you learn. Oh, shoot, wait. Oh, shoot. Darn it, okay. But see, like, I learned from my mistake. I should have never stayed in that trailer. I'm not gonna stay in the trailer next time. I'm just gonna leave the trailer. So, yeah. But the main thing is learning from your mistakes. But imagine if everyone learned from their mistake, we'd have no we'd still have we'd have a lot of mistakes there, but at least people would learn from them. And that's what's up here. A teddy bear. Oh! I destroyed the teddy bear. Yeah, dance. We're gonna give some of this. Here you go. Yeah, but we're gonna be learning from our mistakes in this video, and if you guys comment on this video, I will make you intro, guaranteed intro, and I'll make sure it's really good. In fact, I may make myself a new intro, even though mine's pretty good. I love mine. I'm gonna keep it, but I'm just gonna probably make myself a new one because it'll be amazing. Okay, nothing's loading yet again. I hate when it doesn't do this. Okay, someone's already in there. We're going back to this truck. Okay, let's just keep it. Guys, every time I record, it's gonna do this. It's gotta load in eventually. Load in. Tell you eyes when it starts to load in, okay? Okay, guys, it finally loaded in. The truck loaded in, but I don't know about the. Yeah, the buildings haven't loaded in over here yet, so. Someone's in that building. Ah, I died. Oh, he died too. And guys, that's pretty much what all the video is going to be today. I am just pretty much telling you guys, shouting out videos if you guys will subscribe, and I will give you free intros. And maybe if we get 100 likes on this video, I will show you guys how to make your own intro. Will that be amazing? And I'll do a remake of how to make your own logo. Okay, so see ya later.